Here is smoke dispersion, photo effect mockup for Photoshop, but this file is protected. Password in this app. Subscribe me my Telegram channel and follow on Facebook. Okay, open this one and now we need a PNG file. Double click here, remove it. PNG. Open this one and drag here. Enter. Wow, you can change it. For example, open any other file like this one. Control S. And you see our effect is ready. Here is background folder. Depend your own choice. I hope this effect are useful for you. Subscribe me and download my app for password. Take care. Allah Hafiz.